Open File Explorer. Go to local disk C drive where you installed your Windows, and then go to Program Files folder. In this folder, click on View, hover over on Show, and enable Hidden Items. Now scroll down and look for Windows Apps folder. Open this folder, and here we can see you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Just click on Continue. Click on Close, and now we have to bypass this Windows Apps folder. So right click this Windows Apps folder and show more options. Open Properties. Go to the Security tab and open Advanced. Click on Change next to Owner, and here click on Advanced. Then select Find Now. Now select the Administrator option. Then click on OK to save change. Click OK once more time. In here, check this option, Replace Owner on Sub Containers and Objects, and click on Apply. And we can see ownership is now changing. Then click on OK. Click on OK. And now you will be able to easily open the Windows Apps folder, and here you will find all of your Windows app. Thanks for watching.